Hi everyone, my name is Tony Tang. Today I would like to share some recovery methods which might give you a better understanding. This video did not talk about the technology used. Instead, it gives you a generic idea on the recovery method. They have different methods of recovery. As long as the method meet your expectation, fit your business operation, meet your budget, then it will be fine. Let's start. This is a typical how user using their desktop or laptop access server. In this picture, users are in one network and all the servers are in another network. It is important that any method of recovery must have periodically practiced, or we call it mock run. It is similar like fire rescue rehearsal. Now let us talk about recovery on premise, or we call it on-site recovery. In this scenario, we recover the Epico ERP server without shutting down the production Epico ERP server. In this event, the recovery on premise was not successfully as the user desktop or laptop might not know which the actual server they should access. Neither mock run or actual recovery, we cannot recover the Epico ERP server without shutting down the production Epico ERP server. The reason because both server, production and recovered Epico ERP servers are having the same IP address and in the same network. Take example of car. You cannot have the same registration number for more than one car. Then how? Either in mock run or actual recovery, we require to shut down the production Epico ERP server so that the user can access the particular server without make any changes in their desktop or laptop. Another recovery method is, however, it is only applicable for mock run and not feasible for actual recovery. This method is we recover the Epico ERP server in an isolated network. The isolated network has no connection to production network nor outside world. By doing this, we did not require to shut down the production Epico's ERP server as both networks are not interconnected to each other. The purpose of this method is to verify the server can recover as per expectation. User will be allowed to access in isolated network. Now, let us talk about recovery off premise, or some people will call it off-site recovery. As we know that the user in one network will access the server in another network, let's assume they are in a headquarters. We set up a DL site remotely, install a firewall, set up a DL network behind the firewall, set up all the servers in a standby mode. The headquarters at the DL site will establish network-to-network VPN using firewall at both sides. In the normal operation, the backup server will perform the backup daily in the headquarters and DL site. When disaster happens in the headquarters, we will start up the servers in the DL site. User either can use the VPN client or network-to-network VPN to access the server in DL site. Hope this video will give you a better idea how the recovery can be done. A complete disaster recovery plan is a must and it requires to review from time to time. This is to ensure every user are well known the process and minimize the downtime.